What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another video, and we have some Louis Vuitton slides. Now, this pair, not only are they really dirty, but they're also going to need a repaint as well. So it's going to be really cool to show you guys how I, go ahead about cleaning them, making the custom color mixture, and just getting them right again. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right, so to begin the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator. I'm going to use a medium texture brush, and then I'm going to use a stiff texture brush for the bottoms. I'm using a toothbrush to go ahead and get this spot like right there. You see that dirt spot? Just get that spot because the brush just doesn't fit under there. You get these little corners. I'm just going to do a quick comparison. You guys can see already there's a huge difference. Alright guys, now that the slippers are all cleaned up, we're on to the next step, which will be fixing up these scratches. So I'm going to be using some 1200 grit sandpaper to go ahead and sand down the imperfect areas like so. Alright, so we're going to start making our color mixture now. I'm going to start with the, I think we'll start with the pale blue and then add the white and see how it comes out. Maybe throw some uni in there. We're going to see that. We're going to experiment. We might end up even needing some more colors. Alright, so our color is super light. So I'm going to add some gray in there. I feel like the gray is going to give us the tone we need. Now I'm going to add in some uni blue. Alright, as you guys can see, I ended up using some black and gray and purple for the mixture. Mixture came out like this, and that's how the shoe looks. So it didn't match like spot on, but came out pretty close. Alright guys, at this point the slippers are completely finished. They came out super clean. If you guys remember, the footbeds were literally black, and now they're back. Color match was pretty nice. Overall, they came out pretty good. So if you guys want to distribute them to your own slippers, sneakers, whatever, DM my IG at Drestorations. If you guys have any questions or concerns, drop a comment or DM me. I'm always happy to help. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.